Welcome inside Globi. Globi is secured with a badge locking system, eliminating the need for locks that allow dirt and dust to penetrate and can be forcibly opened. All exterior storage compartments and the staircase, including the door, are secured in this way. The staircase can also be hydraulically retracted from the inside for added security at night when you're away. The kitchen is finished with continuous stainless steel for optimal hygiene. The VZug induction cooktop has 4 burners, allowing for more than one large pan to be cooked side by side. Dishes are stored securely on the slopes. The pull-out pantry units are incredibly practical and easy to load. The overhead cabinets provide additional storage space. The door to the sleeping area also serves as the shower door. This allows for a visual and noise-sensitive separation between the living and sleeping areas, and the shower can be used as a fully enclosed cubicle. The shower with its starry sky effect and Dornbracht fixtures might just entice you to linger longer. The bedroom is raised a few steps. It's important, however, that you can sit upright on the mattress and have enough headroom. There's a window on both sides, so no one has to lie in the dark. The skylight is 1 square meter and also provides access to our roof terrace. The many small storage compartments serve as our wardrobe. At the bottom of the stairs on the driver's side is the toilet. We prefer the classic rotary macerator toilet, so doing our business is just like in a normal house. The sink is made of brass, which is quite unique. In the living area, the washing machine is located on the ground floor and the refrigerator is on the top floor. Under the storage compartment are the espresso machine and our bread maker. Both appliances are really crucial for our comfort while traveling. Next to the kitchen is a pull-out television. We don't have a TV antenna though. We just watch our videos and photos from our server. Then comes our office, which houses a large 4K monitor, essentially our editing suite. The printer, scanner, keyboard are safely stowed in the overhead locker. In addition to automatic underfloor heating, Globi also has air conditioning, of course. Globi's seating area is upholstered with leather and arranged so that both of us can stretch out lengthwise. After meals, when it gets too chilly outside, we always end up sitting lengthwise. Underneath the seats are 2 storage drawers on one side and a large 2-zone freezer on the other. The solid door to the cockpit folds flat to the floor, so it doesn't take up any space when open. The doorway is equipped with a bellows, allowing us to keep it open while driving or standing still. The cockpit is further enhanced with customized leather. Instead of the 2 original beds, Globi has built-in cabinets for our video and photo equipment and outdoor clothing. Everything we like to have readily accessible while driving, but also when we are at our destination. Globi has a high cabin. We can stand in it, which on the one hand gives a completely different feeling of space, and on the other hand, the storage compartment are located in the driver's cabin instead of on the roof, which is much more convenient.